The non-carbonated soft drinks we see most are fruit and vegetable juice, tea, milk-contained, plant protein, and functional beverage. As the level of our lives gets better every day, the beverage gets more and more into our lives. The development and maturity of beverage industry gradually changed the situation of small dimension, simple product structure, and disorderly competition. The beverage industry is getting enlarged in scale and more intensive, and the production structure is more and more rationalization. The beverage market is already one of those which are developing fastest. Functional, juice, and tea are healthy drinks are the main part of the whole structure. Healthy is the main direction of the whole market. The drink production line mainly contain water treatment system, fruit and vegetable pre-processing system, storing system, filter system, emulsifying and mixing system, flash evaporation and gas separation system, sterilizing and homogenizing system, filling system, packing system, and CIP system. The water condition affects directly to the operation and maintenance of production equipment and the appearance and taste of the drink. So, the water for fishing and mixing must be pure water. The water treatment system we use most worldwide is the RO system. The RO machines made by our company are fully functional and stable in performance. The water condition of the production can perfectly match to the national standard for the pure water. The juice pre-processing system includes fruit picking system, washing system, smashing and paddling system, color protecting and temporary storing system, filter system, and so on. The drink pre-processing system includes storing equipment, filter, emulsifying and mixing equipment, flash evaporation and gas separating equipment, homogenizing equipment, sterilizing equipment. All the parts contact to material are made of stainless steel with quality. All the pipes and lines are installed with the stainless steel pipes with SUS 304 standard. According to the type of the production, drinks will be separately filtered, mixed, gas separated, homogenized and sterilized as needed in the pre-processing part. The flash evaporation degassing machine produced by our company are automatically controlled by the developed touch screen and gas separating to the material. The rate of this process can reach 98%. It also can separate 4 to 80% of the water contained and the peculiar smell. It mainly used in proper inspection and gas separating of milk products, juice and beverage under vacuity. It will increase the fragrance of the products and avoid oxidation to enhance the quality of products and extend the time limit of storing. The plate sterilizer and tubular sterilizer we produce, which use in the sterilization of liquid drink, can also classify into two kinds as semi and fully automatic machines. The automatic machine uses developed PLC automatic control system and touch screen technique to achieve to automatic control and record monitor comprehensively during the entire process. It also can be customized by the requirement of clients and perfectly coordinate with all kinds of packing machines as Tetra Brick, pillow, roof box, combi block, pre-pack and packed bottle, etc. The filling process is an essential part of the milk product processing. The stability of the filling process affects directly to the intrinsic quality of the products. Classified by the type of products, there are choices for the clients as auto/semi-auto roof box packing machine, auto/semi-auto Tetra Brick packing machine, automatic pillow packing machine, filling machine 3-in-1 unit pad bottles, etc. 1. Illustration for roof box. The automatic roof box packing machine we produce uses the form of single transmission line, makes box forming, filling and sealing as required. For example, we can have the new CAP PLC capping machine installed on the equipment as an integrative machine. Then we can directly seal the boxes onto the hole prepared with all kinds of caps. This kind of equipment has advantages as follows. A. Laconic design, easy to control. B. PLC automatic control on a higher level and low cost on maintenance. C. Low power consuming of the machine and high standardized parts. D. Easy shift between different specifications of buses, minute adjustment device, high accuracy on fueling. E. Adjustable on production capacity, filling volume, height of the bus, high applicability. F. Correspond to the AAA standard of the United States. 2. Illustration for Tetra Brick. The full automatic paper Tetra Brick packing machine made by our company has PLC made by Mitsubishi, Japan, and man-machine interface. 3-step sterilizing as dihydrate dioxide tank, high strength of UV and scraper of high temperature, clear air circulated protection of high temperature and high pressure, non-impressed electromagnetic sense, and sealing on the liquid level. The key parts of the electric components are our famous international brands. The whole machine is designed reasonable, pleasing to the eye, fully functional, definite accurately, high applicability, easily control and maintain, highly automatic, established frequency conversion speed governing and stable run. 3. Illustration for fueling machine 3-in-1 unit. The isobaric fueling machine 3-in-1 unit made by us is designed for the production line of volume from 500 ml to 1,500 ml. They can be functionally classified into 3 parts as washing, filling, and capping, and 3 systems are also combined functionally. It can also verify as normal fueling and hard fueling, according to the temperature of the material during the fueling. The main machine uses man-machine interface as PLC automatic control system. The key parts of the electric components are all famous international brands. The whole machine is designed reasonable, pleasing to the eye, fully functional, definite accurately, high applicability, easily control and maintain, highly automatic, established frequency conversion speed governing and stable run. It is mainly used on all kinds of bottle filled with mineral water, pure water, juice, beverage, and non-carbonated drinks. The production capacity can reach from 3,000 bph to 36,000 bph. According to the different types of production, the production will be sent into following processes as checking, sterilizing tunnel, air-dried, shrinking labeling, inkjet printing, and packing. The accessory equipment optionally made by us are injection molding machine, blow molding machine, shrinking labeling machine, inkjet printer, line conveyor system, packing machine, sealing machine, fertilizer, etc. They are all up to the choice of the client as needed. The non-carbonated soft drinks we see most are fruit and vegetable juice, tea, milk contain, plant protein, and functional beverage. As the level of our lives gets better every day, the beverage gets more and more into our lives. The development and maturity of beverage industry gradually changed the situation of small dimension, simple product structure, and disorderly competition. The beverage industry is getting enlarged in scale and more intensive, and the production structure is more and more rationalization. The beverage market is already one of those which are developing fastest. Functional, juice, and tea are healthy drinks are the main part of the whole structure. Health is the main direction of the whole market. The drink production line mainly contain water treatment system, fruit and vegetable pre-processing system, storing system, filter system, emulsifying and mixing system, flash evaporation and gas separation system, sterilizing and homogenizing system, filling system, packing system, and CIP system. The condition affects directly to the operation and maintenance of production equipment and the appearance and taste of the drink. So, the water for fishing and mixing must be pure water. The water treatment system we use most worldwide is the RO system. The RO machines made by our company are fully functional and stable in performance. The water condition of the production can perfectly match to the national standard for the pure water. The juice pre-processing system includes fruit picking system, washing system, smashing and paddling system, color protecting and temporary storing system, filter system, and so on. The drink pre-processing system includes storing equipment, filter, emulsifying and mixing equipment, flash evaporation and gas separating equipment, homogenizing equipment, sterilizing equipment. All the parts contact to material are made of stainless steel with quality. All the pipes and lines are installed with the stainless steel pipes with SUS 304 standard. According to the type of the production, drinks will be separately filtered, mixed, gas separated, homogenized, and sterilized as needed in the pre-processing part. The flash evaporation degassing machine produced by our company are automatically controlled by the developed touch screen and gas separating to the material. The rate of this process can reach 98%. It also can separate 4 to 80% of the water contained, and the peculiar smell. It may be used in proper inspection and gas separating of milk products, juice and beverage under vacuity. It will increase the fragrance of the products and avoid oxidation to enhance the quality of products and extend the time limit of storing. The plate sterilizer and tubular sterilizer we produce, which use in the sterilization of liquid drink, can also classify into two kinds as semi and fully automatic machines. The automatic machine uses developed PLC automatic control system and touch screen technique to achieve to automatic control and record monitor comprehensively during the entire process. It also can be customized by the requirement of clients and perfectly coordinate with all kinds of packing machines as Tetra Brick, pillow, roof box, combi block, pre-pack and packed bottle, etc. The filling process is an essential part of the milk product processing. The stability of the filling process affects directly to the intrinsic quality of the products. Classified by the type of products, there are choices for the client as auto/semi-auto roof box packing machine, auto/semi-auto Tetra Brick packing machine, automatic pillow packing machine, filling machine 3-in-1 unit paired bottles, etc. 1. Illustration for roof box. The automatic roof box packing machine we produce uses the form of single transmission line, makes box forming, filling and sealing as required. For example, we can have the new CAP PLC capping machine installed on the equipment as an integrative machine. Then we can directly seal the boxes onto the hole prepared with all kinds of caps. This kind of equipment has advantages as follows. A. Laconic design, easy to control. B. PLC automatic control on a higher level and low cost on maintenance. C. Low power consuming of the machine and high standardized parts. D. Easy shift between different specifications of boxes, minute adjustment device, high accuracy on filling. E. Adjustable on production capacity, filling volume, height of the box, high applicability. F. Correspond to the AAA standard of the United States. 2. Illustration for Tetra Brick. The full automatic paper Tetra brick packing machine made by our company has PLC made by Mitsubishi, Japan, and man-machine interface, 3-step sterilizing as dihydrate dioxide tank, high strength of UV and scraper of high temperature, clear air circulated protection of high temperature and high pressure, non-impressed electromagnetic sense, and sealing on the liquid level. The key parts of the electric components are all famous international brands. The whole machine is designed reasonable, pleasing to the eye, fully functional, definite accurately, high applicability, easily control and maintain, highly automatic, established frequency conversion speed governing and stable run. 3. Illustration for filling machine 3-in-1 unit. The isobaric filling machine 3-in-1 unit made by us is designed for the production line of volume from 500 milliliters to 1,500 milliliters. They can be functionally classified into 3 parts as washing, filling, and capping, and 3 systems are also combined functionally. It can also verify as normal filling and hard filling, according to the temperature of the material during the filling. The main machine uses man-machine interface as PLC automatic control system. The key parts of the electric components are all famous international brands. The whole machine is designed reasonable, pleasing to the eye, fully functional, definite accurately, high applicability, easily control and maintain, highly automatic, established frequency conversion speed governing and stable run. It is mainly used on all kinds of bottles filled with mineral water, pure water, juice, beverage, and non-carbonated drinks. The production capacity can reach from 3,000 bph to 36,000 bph. According to the different types of production, the production will be sent into following processes as checking, sterilizing tunnel, air-dried, shrinking labeling, inkjet printing, and packing. The accessory equipment optionally made by us are injection molding machine, blow molding machine, shrinking labeling machine, inkjet printer, line conveyor system, packing machine, sealing machine, palletizer, etc. They are all up to the choice of the client as needed.